Right, what we're going to do here is we're going to convert something as a percentage. So what it says, Jason scored 34 out of 60 in a test. Write this score as a percentage. So this is changing a fraction to a percentage. Quite a common question, because every time you do a test you want to know what your percentage is. So this is changing a fraction to a percentage. So what you do is you write 34 out of its total. So Jason scored 34 out of 60 marks. There were 60 marks altogether. And then in mathematics is multiply. And then we want 34 out of 60 times 100 over 1. Because what we wanted 34 out of 60 of 100%. Then use the fraction button on your calculator. So again, putting the numbers in, 34 over 60 using this fraction button here, times 100 over 1 will give you 170 over 3. Will give you 170 over 3. And then what you do is you press your S to D button, which is this one here, to get 56.6%. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to change a quantity into a percentage. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.